Start.
Hello, a very good evening and warm greeting from Jeya Bharathi, presently working as the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering Sandwich, Central Polytechnic College, Chennai. I have completed my undergraduate at GC Tirunelveli and postgraduate in PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore. I have 25 years of teaching experience, out of which 8 years in private service and 17 years of government service. In the year of 2006, I have joined in the government service. I have completed 10 NPTEL courses conducted by various IITs and received the award of motivational learner. And also I received the best performer in ICT tools, blended learning and flipped classroom conduct 12-week course conducted by IIT Bombay X. I have registered 3 patents. During the COVID period, I have completed 8 module courses conducted by NITTT and SWAYAM. Using that screencasting technology, I have created 39 YouTube videos for fluid mechanics and fluid power subject and machine shop technology subject. And I have prepared more than 100 PowerPoint presentations. And I have acted the member and part of the curriculum revision under the school education for vocational students of 11th and 12th standard, and also the part of the curriculum revision under DOT and various autonomous institutions. I was acted as the coordinator for TNEA counseling, add-on course conducted for slum area students and arts colleges students, and at present add-on courses we have conducted for under TNSDC and DOT control. Thank you.